welcome back to the Butterbean Shop. I am so glad that you are joining me today to make another cold process soap. So today I'm going to be making Honeysuckle. This is from Be Scented. It's a pure honeysuckle fragrance. It smells amazing. I've made it in a sugar scrub, a body spray, a cream pot, just everything but a soap. So I'm gonna make a soap to go with it. In here we have our melted oils. They're at room temperature. The solid oils, it might be a little bit cooler than room temperature because the solid oils, some of them have solidified at the bottom, but that's okay. In here I have colloidal oatmeal and white kale and clay, and I have my lye solution, which is sodium hydroxide, aloe, Tessa silk, and sodium lactate. The colors we're going to be using today are Rose Pink Mica, one of my favorite micas from Nurture Soap. Koi, which is from Mad Micas. This color is so pretty, you guys. It's a very pretty kind of corally color. It's orange, but not too orange. It has a nice pink to it. I don't know if you can see this, but it's an awesome color. I haven't used it before, so hopefully it'll stay awesome. And then we have Yellow Raincoat. This is from Bright Yellow Raincoat. It's from Mad Micas as well. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get started by mixing up our oils and our additives. I'll add my milks, which are coconut and goat. And then I'll add my lye solution and I'll blend it up until emulsion is reached, and then I will bring you back in. Okay guys, so I gave this a really quick buzz to emulsion, and there we go. I'm going to separate this out into my colors now. Now I have not used this fragrance in soap before, so I do not know how it's going to behave for me in my recipe. I've seen other soapers use this and they haven't had any issues, so we'll see how it goes. So, I forgot to tell you that the base is going to be white. So, the white is going to be titanium dioxide. So, I have my containers here. I'm going to split out. Let me turn it so I can see the numbers. guys, so now I'm gonna add my fragrance oil. And it is a floral, so, you know, florals. And I do have some ricing. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend out my ricing. I was going to do a hanger swirl, and I think I still will. So I'll get out my pour a lot of that in there. Get my yellow here from pretty high. Sparkle Me Gold from Mad Micas. And I like this because it just gives an added kind of finishing pearlized effect on the finished soap. I think it's really pretty. I love it. Alright guys. And there we go. Honeysuckle. Spray this with 99% rubbing alcohol. Not rubbing alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. And I will bring you guys back in for the cut. Thanks. See you in a minute. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Butterbean Shop. Megan here, and I am going to cut the honeysuckle soap that I made yesterday. So I love the way this soap smells. It got kind of thick on me, which is fine. Sometimes that happens. The fragrance, it behaved for the most part. I mean, it is a floral, so you gotta give it a little bit of, you know, leeway because it is a floral. But it smells beautiful. And let's get to cutting to see what this baby looks like on the inside. So there goes the first cut. This is going to be for samples. And oh, look, I like it. It's beautiful. It's got some, you know, it riced on me a little bit, so it's not smooth like how I wanted it to be. But I can plane it to make it smooth anyway. I plane all my soaps anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But it's a beautiful swirl. I love that pink. Pink is one of my favorites. The yellow gets kind of lost, but maybe it's just in this particular loaf. I still have 3 more loaves to cut because I did make 2 batches of this. So I will continue to cut. There's a couple of air pockets in there too in this one. I will continue to cut, and I will speed up the pace and show some pictures at the end. If you guys like this soap, please go ahead and click the like button. If you want to see more, go ahead and click the subscribe button. And I appreciate all of you that watch the videos I upload. I really, really do. You have no idea. I cannot believe there are actually people who want to watch me make, you know, this soap. I enjoy doing it so much, and I really, you have no idea. I really appreciate you guys. So go ahead and like, subscribe, leave a comment. I love to hear from you guys. I respond to every comment, or I try to, that I get. So yeah, please go ahead and keep doing what you're doing. And until the next time, guys, take care.